everybody, it is Ethan here with another video today, and I got my little sister here, and I just wanted to talk to you about
and I'm in my mini set today.
Yeah, she's wearing
and my shorts.
And she's wearing his shorts. So yeah, she's wearing her awesome, cool looking shorts. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about on the cruise ship. I wanted to make a goal reach for
but I need to know what this is.
So
I mean bubblegum.
So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that if we hit a goal of views of 9,000 views before 1 year and 6 months, I will be happily to make a video on the cruise ship that we're going. We're heading on a cruise to Mexico, and I'll get footage on the cruise ship and on Mexico. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that, guys, that, and so yeah, I just say hi to YouTube. I mean Amber.
Hi YouTube.
So yeah, just want to tell you guys that. Hope you like this video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.